Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to find the best Birkenstock discount codes to save on your favorite footwear. Let's dive right in. So first, visit CouponFollow at couponfollow.com/site/birkenstock.com. They regularly update their list of Birkenstock discount codes and promotions. Browse through the available codes and choose the one that offers the best value for your purchase. Just click the show coupon code here and then you're good to go. Next is to check Retail Me Not. They compile a list of verified discount codes and promotions for Birkenstock. Just go to retailmenot.com/view/birkenstock.com. Look for the most up-to-date deals and offers shared by other users. You can click the Get Deal here, or if it's a code, just click Get Code. Next is to go to Who, What, Where. This site also compiles various discount codes and promotions for Birkenstock. Browse through the available codes and choose one that offers the best value for your purchase. Just go to whowhatwhere.com/promo-codes/Birkenstock and then just click the Get Discount button here to get your discount or promo code. That's basically it.